Freedom, it begins at home. It's a movement. It's the belief that true independence starts with the choices we make in our own backyards, in how we grow our food, raise our families, manage our money, and build systems that serve us, not enslave us.
Freedom starts at home.
Freedom begins at home.
The Homestead Event is bringing together voices who live out that freedom every day. Builders, growers, makers, and educators who have traded convenience for conviction and dependency for discipline. Each session, workshop, and keynote is designed to help families reclaim control, live resourcefully, and create security right where they stand. Whether it's financial freedom, food freedom, energy independence, or the freedom to live by your own values, it all starts at home. Join us in inspiring others to build a life that can't be canceled, outsourced, or taken away. Because freedom doesn't come from Washington, it comes from your homestead.
Freedom begins at home.